Welcome to Compare to Win. The best pastrami review is probably one of the most savory and satisfying deli experiences you can have. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pastrami, exploring its rich history, the meticulous process of its creation, and of course, the mouth-watering taste that keeps us coming back for more. From the perfectly seasoned meat to the smoky aroma, we'll uncover what makes a truly exceptional pastrami and guide you through the best options available. Number 5. Dietz & Watson 6 ounces pre-sliced spiced beef pastrami. This pre-sliced pastrami is the perfect addition to your lunch. It's easy to use and tastes great. Certified by the Celiac Sprue Association as gluten-free, it is a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. You can enjoy it without worry. This pastrami is made with care, with no antibiotics ever used. It's a healthier choice for you and your family. Enjoy the delicious taste without the trans fat. This product is a guilt-free option for your meals. It is free of MSG, soy, and milk, making it suitable for various dietary needs. This product is made with quality ingredients. With 13 g of protein and only 70 calories per serving, it's a satisfying and smart choice. It provides a good source of protein to keep you going. What we like. This pastrami is gluten-free, ensuring a safe and delicious meal for those with dietary restrictions. It also offers a high protein content, perfect for a satisfying and energy-boosting lunch. If you are looking for a healthy and flavorful option, you should consider this. What people say. The pastrami was sliced perfectly and was not too fatty. The flavor was outstanding and the meat was tender. It had a great smoky flavor. Number 4. Spiceology Pickling Spice, 14 ounces. This pickling spice from Spiceology is packed with flavor. It includes bay leaf, allspice berries, fennel seed, whole dill seed, and a touch of chili flake. Use it to create delicious homemade pickles. It's perfect for canning and preserving fruits, giving them a complex and savory taste. This spice isn't just for pickles. Add it to your corned beef for extra flavor, or use it in stews and other vegetable and meat dishes. This product comes in a bulk container, ideal for chefs and commercial kitchens. It's a convenient way to add flavor to many dishes. The product is packed fresh in the USA, ensuring the highest quality. You can trust it to bring the best flavor to your cooking. What we like. This pickling spice mix is loaded with complex flavors, enhancing your homemade pickles and other dishes. It's versatile, perfect for canning, stews, and meat dishes. If you are a chef or run a commercial kitchen, you should consider this. What people say. The pastrami was sliced perfectly and had a great flavor. The meat was tender and flavorful. The pastrami had a nice peppery flavor. Number 3. Hillshire Farm Pastrami Ultra Thin Sliced Deli Meat. Introducing Hillshire Farm Pastrami. This deli meat is made with perfectly seasoned, cured beef. It's the perfect choice for a delicious meal. This pastrami is ultra-thin sliced for your convenience. It's fully cooked and ready to eat, making it a quick and easy option. You can enjoy this pastrami without any artificial flavors. It also has no artificial preservatives and no added nitrates or nitrites, except for those naturally occurring in celery juice powder and sea salt. This pastrami is perfect for sandwiches, wraps, and bite-sized snacks. It's a versatile choice for any meal or occasion. The pastrami offers a juicy and savory flavor. It's a delicious addition to any meal, providing a satisfying taste. What we like. This pastrami is ultra-thin sliced, making it perfect for sandwiches, wraps, and snacks. It contains no artificial flavors or preservatives, ensuring a natural taste. If you are looking for a quick and easy meal option, you should consider this. What people say. The pastrami was sliced perfectly and tasted great. The meat was tender and flavorful. It had a nice balance of fat and lean. Number 2. Pastrami Rub Blend, Southern Barbecue Style, 3.0 ounces. Jar. This blend uses top-quality spices, herbs, and seasonings. There is a noticeable difference when you use the best ingredients. It includes paprika, garlic, black pepper, white pepper, coriander, mustard powder, salt, and sugar. These ingredients combine to create a delicious flavor. This rub is ideal for smoked meats. It enhances the natural flavors of the meat, creating a mouth-watering experience. Don't limit its use to just smoked meats. Try it on smoked salmon, roast chicken, or even popcorn. It adds a burst of flavor to various dishes. It's all natural, with no MSG or fillers. The spices are 100% pure, ensuring a fresh and authentic taste. Made in the USA, each order is custom packed by hand. This ensures the spice is fresh and ready to use. It contains no flow agents or fillers. What we like. This rub blend is made with top chef quality spices, ensuring a premium flavor for your smoked meats. It's all natural, with no MSG or fillers, guaranteeing a pure taste. If you like to smoke meats and want to elevate your dishes, you should consider this. What people say. I used it this weekend on a pork butt and it was great. I put it on almost everything before grilling. You can grill broccoli, steamed artichokes, anything, and they taste like grilled heaven. I just mixed the run with olive oil. Number 1. The Sausage Maker Pastrami Making Kit. This kit provides the tools for proper brining and curing. It's designed to help you create delicious corned beef. With this kit, you'll be able to enjoy flavorful, homemade corned beef. All that's needed to make pastrami is to introduce smoke and then cook. The kit makes it easy to transform your corned beef into a delicious pastrami. Enjoy the smoky flavor of homemade pastrami. This kit isn't just for beef, it can also be used on venison roasts. It will make venison or other game meat taste like corned beef. It's a versatile kit for any meat lover. The kit consists of pastrami seasoning and pickling spices. It has everything you need to get started. Get ready to enjoy the taste of homemade pastrami and corned beef. This kit allows you to make up to 25 pounds of meat. It's perfect for sharing with family and friends. Start enjoying your own delicious creations today. What we like. This kit provides the tools needed to make delicious pastrami from corned beef. It's easy to use, introducing smoke and cooking to transform corned beef. If you are a home cook who enjoys making your own pastrami, you should consider this. What people say. The pastrami was sliced perfectly and had a great flavor. The meat was tender and flavorful. It was a good quality pastrami. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.